Dear students, welcome back to our chemistry class. Now this is our the 10th session. In this session we will be going to learn about that is the density of the solid. Here that is the calculation of density of the solid. In this one you have to see about here the calculation of density of the solid. In this topic or on this section you have one numerical questions compulsory. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ರೀ ಒಂದು ನ್ಯೂಮೆರಿಕಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಒಂದು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ರೀ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಲೆಟ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಶನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸಾಲಿಡ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಎ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ edge length of the cubic unit cell. Now here I am taking one cubic unit cell or one cube, simple cube. So now it is having edge length is A. In 3-dimensional it is having that is the x-axis, y-axis as well as z-axis. Okay, x-axis, y-axis as well as z-axis. So means its edge length is A. Already you have that is the idea about the parameters of the cubic cell. Here edge length is A and then next one is D. D is the density of the solid. First one is A is the edge length of the cubic unit cell. Second one is D, density of the solid. Next one is M is the molar mass. M is the molar mass and then V is volume of unit cell is A cube. Why the volume of unit cell V is equal to A cube? Means here in the 3-dimensional region it containing x-axis, y-axis as well as z-axis. So here V is equal to A cube means here for x-axis as well as y-axis as well as z-axis. X-axis it is containing that is the edge length A, y-axis also A, z-axis is also A. So now here A into A, what will be the answer? That is the A cube. So therefore volume of the unit cell is equal to A cube is there. Now here the mass of the unit cell, it is given by that is the number of atoms. Mass of the unit cell is given by that is the number of atoms in unit cell, it is represented by the Z. Number of atoms in unit cell, it is represented by the Z as well as mass upon each atom. Next one is mass upon each atom. So therefore it is the mass of the unit cell. Now here mass upon atom present in the unit cell, mass upon atom present in the unit cell is given by that is the capital M divided by Avogadro's number. Na it represents that is the Avogadro's number. Its value is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, here mass of an atom present in the unit cell M is equal to that is the M divided by N into A. So therefore mass of the unit cell is given by that is equal to, see here, Z into that is mass of unit cell. You can take here that is the atom is Z, number of atoms and then M divided by Na, that is M divided by Na. Again here Z and then here that is you can go for next one, density of unit cell is given by the, so here density of unit cell, that is the D is equal to, it is given by mass of unit cell divided by volume of unit cell. Density is given by mass of unit cell divided by volume of unit cell. Mass of unit cell divided by volume of unit cell. Here mass of unit cell is given by that is the Z into M divided by Na, means or Z into M, that is the mass of unit cell divided by volume of unit cell is V, means that is the A cube. What is the M value is here? Capital M divided by small m. So therefore it is Z into M divided by A cube into Na. D is equal to Z into M divided by A cube into Na. This is our calculation of density in solid formula. Okay, D is equal to Z into M divided by A cube into Na. Here now you can go for Z is the density and then D is the density, Z is that is the atomic number or atom unit, and then M is that is a molecular mass, A is volume, and then Na is Avogadro's number. Here 3 cases are arises. First one is if Z is equal to 1, it represents that is a simple cube or that is a cubic unit cell. If Z is equal to 2, it is having that is the BCC, body centered cube. If Z is equal to 4, it is having the FCC, face centered cube. Here, dear student, first one, density of the unit cell. Here you can take that is the cube, edge length is A, and then M is that is the molar mass of the unit cell, P is that is the volume. And then again here you can take that is a M is equal to Z into M, and then again here M is equal to capital M divided by Avogadro's number. So now again here Z into M divided by Na, and then D is equal to mass of unit cell divided by volume of unit cell, and then it's having that is a Z into M divided by A cube, and then here D is equal to Z into M is nothing but that is M divided by Na. So this is about the M divided by Na and into A cube. Just you have to give the importance on this formula only. Okay, D is equal to Z into M divided by A cube into Na. Suppose they have given that is the Z is equal to 1, then you can refer here for the cubic unit cell, or sometime they can provide directly BCC. At that time you have to put Z is equal to 2, and then for FCC Z is equal to 4. Avra suppose Z values kodde question ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ರೀ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇನ್ FCC ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್, ಇನ್ BCC ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್ ತರ. ಅವಾಗ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ Z ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. Now let's we see that is the problems on this session. Okay, so now see the problem. An element form BCC crystal. An element forms BCC crystal. The unit cell length is 260 picometer. The unit cell length is 260 picometer. Calculate the density. Molecular mass is 23 gram per mole. ಏನೇನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? BCC crystal ಹೇಳಿದಾರು, ಹೌದಾ? BCC crystal, the unit cell length, that is the edge length, A is equal to how much is there? 260 picometer. They have given in picometer. Now I want to convert this one centimeter. This is first one 260 into 10 to the power minus 12 meter. Then again 260 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. This is about the A. And then what they have given? Molecular mass, that is the M is equal to 23 gram per mole. M is equal to 23 gram per mole. And then what is the Avogadro's number value? Avogadro's number value is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. And what is our formula? Our formula is density D is equal to Z into M divided by A cube into Avogadro's number. Is it right? ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? Density D is equal to Z into M divided by A cube into Na. Substitute all these given value in this formula and you have to determine that is the density of the BCC crystal. So now here I am going to substitute all those values in this formula. What is the Z? In case of BCC, already I thought Z is equal to 1 in cubic system, Z is equal to 2 in BCC, Z is equal to 4 in FCC. So now first I will go for that is here. In case of BCC, what is the number of Z? How much? 2. Okay, it is exactly right. Z is equal to 2. So now here Z means that is the 2, and then what is the molecular mass? They have given 23 divided by A cube. What is the edge length? 260 into 10 to the power minus 10. Okay, 260 into 10 to the power minus 10. And what is the Avogadro's number? Avogadro's number value is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Calculate this one. What will be the answer? Its answer is, that is the 4.3 gram per cm cube. 4.3 gram per cm cube. This is about the way of calculation of an density of unit cell. Okay, so ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ರೀ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೋ ಅದು ಗಿವನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಸೇಮ್ ಐತ್ರಿ, ಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಝಡ್ ಇಂಟು ಎಮ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇಂಟು ಎನ್ ಎ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಂತೇಳಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ಯಾವ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಂತೇಳಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ್ರಿ? ಬಿ ಸಿ ಸಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಬಿ ಸಿ ಸಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಝಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇದ್ರೋಗೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾವನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಓಕೆ, what is your formula? Your formula is D is equal to Z into M divided by A cube into NA. ಇದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆರ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮಾಸ್. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸರ್ತಿ ಅವರ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಲೆಂತನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸರ್ತಿ ಅವ್ರು ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮಾಸಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. So next one, our problem is X-ray diffraction shows. X-ray diffraction shows that copper crystallizes to form a FCC lattice. What lattice? FCC lattice. Okay. So now here FCC type of lattice. And then here, if the density of copper is 8.9 gram per cm cube. 8.9 gram per cm cube. Calculate the edge length of copper unit cell. Its atomic mass of copper is, that is the M value is 63.2. M value is 63.2. Dear student, these all are given values. What is the Z number in case of FCC? FCC ಒಳಗೆ Z is equal to ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ ರೀ? ಓಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ FCC ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ 4. ನಾವು ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ ರೀ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಲೆಂತ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ Z ಅನ್ನು ಸಿಕ್ಕೈತ್ರಿ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಡಿ ಅನ್ನು ಸಿಕ್ಕೈತಿ, ಎಮ್ ಕೂಡ ಸಿಕ್ಕೈತಿ. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು? ಎ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎ ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಲೆಂತ್? ಹಿಯರ್ ಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಝಡ್ ಇಂಟು ಎಮ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇಂಟು ಎನ್ ಎ. ನೀವು ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾವನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೌದಾ? ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ರಿ? ನಿಮಗೇನು ಬೇಕು? ಎ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಹಿಯರ್ ಎ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು Z into M divided by D into NA. A cube is equal to Z into M divided by D into NA. So see here, A cube is equal to Z number means that is the 4, M is 63.2 divided by D means that is the 8.9, and then what will be the Avogadro's number value? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, so now substitute all these values and then find out. It will provide that is the answer. Find out this one. It is in terms of centimeter cube. Okay, so now again here A is equal to, and then this is your answer, and then this is A is equal to, here first one A cube is there, and then A is equal to, that is transfer cube that side, and then this is your answer. This is your final answer is there for the calculation of edge length. And then it will be that is around 3.61 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. Its answer is 3.61 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. ಸೊ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ, ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮಗೇನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ 3.61 × 10⁻⁸ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಲೆಂತ್. Dear students, next one problem is on silver crystallizes in FCC lattice if edge length is 4.07 into 10⁻⁸ centimeter and density is 10.5 gram per cm cube. Calculate the atomic mass of silver. Here silver crystallizes in FCC lattice. Again they have given FCC. What is the atomic number? Means what is the number of atoms per unit cell? That is Z is equal to, in FCC, 4 number. Okay, so now here edge length is A is equal to 4.07 into 10⁻⁸ centimeter. And then next one, what is the density? D is equal to 10.5 gram per cm cube. And then what they ask, calculate the atomic mass of the silver. They ask to find out atomic mass of the silver. Silver atomic mass ಅನ್ನು find out ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದಾರೆ. Again your formula, what is your formula? D is equal to Z into M divided by A cube into NA. ಹೌದಾ? ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? M calculate ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So you have to design your formula. So here D into A cube into NA, okay, is equal to Z into M. And then we want M formula. So therefore D into A cube into NA divided by Z is equal to M. Now your formula is M is equal to D into A cube into NA divided by Z. Substitute all the given value. D is equal to 10.5 gram per cm cube. Edge length is 4.07 into 10⁻⁸ cube. Avogadro's number value, what will be the Avogadro's number value? 6.022 into 10⁻23. And then here divided by Z. What is the Z number? That is the 4. And then you have to calculate this one. Be fast. What is the answer for that one? Here its answer is 107.8. Its answer is 107.8 gram per mole. Gram per mole. This is about the calculation way to find out molecular mass. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಒಂದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಹೋಗಿ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮೋರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಸೋ ಈಸಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ our density of solids session is over. Remaining part we will see in the next